The train ride to Bristol is normally the piece to my day. As soon as I get to Bristol, it's like, right, what do I have to do? Where do I have to be? Hi, I'm Misbah. I'm a third-year undergraduate student studying neuroscience. Hi. When my second year was coming to a completion, it was exam time and my situation really changed. I split from my partner and I was forced to leave Bristol with my 8-year-old child. My family encouraged me to carry on, and the university, they supported me with the scholarship so that I could finish my education. Before starting university, I was working in the education sector.
Thank you.
And what I saw was a lack of representation for Southeast Asians. I wanted to understand why there was this stigma, especially when it came to mental health. And to do that, I needed to understand the workings of the brain. Studying neuroscience has showed me the diversity in where my future can go. I've applied for the scientist training program, which is a 3-year program funded by the NHS, but you're also working towards a master's degree. And I've chosen my profession as clinical neuroimmunology to study the blood-brain barrier. That would be my absolute dream. Having that student support is really given me the confidence in myself to know that I can go and do exactly what I want and I'll get it. It's also meant that I've been exposed to more career opportunities. I attend events that I didn't even know existed. And the Digital Support Fund really helped me to buy a laptop, and I was able to make all my notes on there. What I've learned from this experience is life can change. I risked it, but I gambled on myself, I suppose.
Hi,
How was your day today?
we're playing football. My team won 7-1.
And I'm so glad that I did take that leap. So if you're thinking about donating, I can firsthand say that your money goes a long way, and it really helps to change the lives of people that are struggling.